Good morning, everyone. Have you ever felt like you're lost in a maze, surrounded by challenges that seem insurmountable? Do poverty, inequality, and climate change feel like impenetrable barriers blocking the path to a better world? These are the questions that kept me up at night, the questions that led me to embark on a journey of discovery, a journey that would ultimately shape my understanding of sustainability and drive me to embrace the Sustainable Development Goals or SDGs. Okay, allow me to introduce myself muna. I'm John Lawrence Andon, a student just like many of you. For years, I've been passionate about making a difference in the world, but I often found myself overwhelmed by the sheer magnitude of the problems we face. It wasn't until I stumbled upon the SDGs that I began to see a glimmer of hope, a roadmap towards a more sustainable and equitable future. My journey with the SDGs began with questions that were both simple and profound. What are the SDGs? How do they relate to my life and the world around me? As I sought answers, I discovered a treasure trove of knowledge, a framework that would transform the way I viewed global challenges. The SDGs, adopted by all United Nations member states in 2015, are a set of 17 interconnected goals designed to address the most pressing social, economic, and environmental issues facing our planet. From ending poverty and hunger to combating climate change and promoting sustainable cities, the SDGs provide a comprehensive blueprint for a better world. One of the most striking aspects of the SDGs is their interconnectedness. Poverty, for example, isn't just an economic issue. It's linked to education, health, gender equality, and environmental sustainability. By addressing one goal, we can have a ripple effect that positively impact others, a concept known as the SDGs indivisibility principle. As I delve deeper into the SDGs, I realized that change starts with me. I began making small changes in my own life, reducing waste, supporting ethical businesses, and advocating for sustainable policies. With each action, I felt a sense of empowerment. I believed that I could make a difference no matter how small. Of course, the journey hasn't been without its challenges. There have been moments of doubt and frustration, times when the maze seemed too complex to navigate. But I've learned that perseverance is key. Even when progress feels slow, every step forward brings us closer to our goal. One of the most rewarding aspects of my journey has been inspiring others to join me, whether it's through conversations with friends, presentations in class, or social media activism. I've seen how sharing my passion for the SDGs can spark change in others. Together, we can amplify our impact and create a movement for positive change. The SDGs remind us that we're not alone in this journey. Collaboration is key to achieving our goals. Whether it's government, businesses, nonprofits, or individuals, we all have a role to play. By working together, we can leverage our collective strengths and create lasting change. As we navigate the maze of sustainability, we must embrace innovation and creativity. The solutions to our most pressing challenges won't come from doing things the same old way. We need fresh ideas, bold initiatives, and a willingness to think outside the box. As a student, I believe in the power of education to drive change. We must empower the next generation with the knowledge and skills they need to tackle the challenges of tomorrow. By integrating the SDGs into our curricula and fostering a culture of sustainability, we can equip young people to become leaders and change makers in their own right. The SDGs calls upon us to be a global citizens, to recognize that our actions have far-reaching consequences beyond our own borders. Whether it's reducing our carbon footprint, advocating for human rights, or supporting sustainable development initiatives, we must think globally and act locally. As we thrive towards the SDGs, we must also recognize the importance of resilience and adaptation. The world is constantly changing, and we must be prepared to weather the storms that lie ahead. By building resilient communities and embracing adaptive strategies, we can navigate the uncertainties of the future. As I reflect on my journey with the SDGs, I'm struck by the impact that small actions can have. Whether it's planting a tree, volunteering at a local shelter, or raising awareness about sustainable living, every effort counts. It's easy to feel overwhelmed by the scale of the challenges we face. But by taking one step at a time, we can move closer towards our shared vision of a better world. In our pursuit of sustainability, we must also embrace diversity in all its forms. Different cultures, perspectives, and experiences enrich our understanding of the world and offer valuable insights into how we can address complex challenges. By fostering inclusivity and equity, we can build a more resilient and vibrant society. As I stand here today, I'm filled with hope for the future. The challenges we face are daunting, but the solutions are within reach. By embracing the principles of the SDGs, sustainability, equity, collaboration, innovation, resiliency, and diversity, we can build a world that works for everyone. So, I leave you with a challenge. What role will you play in navigating the maze? Will you be a bystander or an active participant? The choice is yours. Thank you.